worked wonders para sa Alaska. Ang hahabulin nila ay isa lamang, 73-72, and they have ball possession.
Yeah, matagal pa itong laro na ito. Both teams have 3 timeouts. They have 20 and the 32nd timeout yet for the whole fourth quarter. Anybody's ball game at this stage.
Johnny Abarientos against Pito Harenso, faking off ang kanyang tira, and that's the lead para sa kupunan ng Alaska.
Ito talaga ang player na talagang nagdadala pabalik sa Alaska.
Another primetime player, Dr. J.
Yeah, definitely.
1996 MVP Johnny Abarientos just gave Alaska its lead, regained the lead actually. 9 seconds to shoot, 8 seconds to shoot. Harenso is shooting again from the outside. That's a 3-point shot, his 6th of the ball game.
Well, alam na ni Jaworski, this is clutch time. You go to the pressure player, and he has gone to Pito Harencio and JB Gayoso in the backcourt. No?
And what a time for that explosion to come, Dr. J. At timely ang pagpalit. Si Kevin Holland with a slam, making a statement, Dr. J. It ties the ball game, and Holland with 21 points in this ball game total.
Well, nakakapunto siya because King cannot help out. He cannot jump. So ang nangyayari, tumutulong si Marlo Aquino, hindi naman makakover si King, which usually what happens is King is able to cover Holland on that pick and roll play.
Barely crossing that half-court mark ang kupunan ng Gordons. 10 seconds to work around to it. May double team kay Chris King. You can see yung kanyang limited mobility. Harencio, bibigay kay Terry Saldana, 3 seconds to shoot. Saldana overshoots the mark. At ito ang possession para sa Alaska. Ito ang twin guard rotation, Dr. J, working wonders para sa Alaska.
There's a pick and roll play again. They jump out, no? They jump out.
Hand off. Johnny Abarientos working on an 8-second shot clock. 5 to shoot. Abarientos again.
Alam mo, bumabalik sila dito. Nakaupo si Hawkins, nakaupo si Lastimosa, and lumamang na dito ang Alaska, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. So premature ang mga celebration ng Jeans. And King, really not much of a effective player. Let's see what he can do.
Ito malaking gamble ni Big J. Ito si Terry Saldana. At yun, Dr. J, ang pasa ni Marlo Aquino from the post, nag-high post siya. Inalaglag na kay Terry Saldana, who has 10 points in this ball game.
Yeah, this is gonna be another one of those photo-finish ball games. No?
Ay, may mga sakit sa puso. Uminom muna ng malamig na tubig, or kung hindi, huminga ng konti ng malalim-lalim, at sigurado pamatay dibdib na naman ito.
Johnny Abarientos again taking charge. Boyet Fernandez, 3!
And that's a 3-point shot for Boyet Fernandez. The first 3-point shot of the ball game para sa Alaska.
And it came from a guy who's off the bench player, ha?
JB Gayoso having a hard time bringing down that ball. Ito si Marlo working at the post. Ando si Terry Saldana. He won't shoot from that spot. Ando si Marlo Aquino.
Diniin ni Marlo yun. Bringing them to only 1 right now. Still Alaska on top. 2 minutes 45 seconds left.
First 2 points ni Aquino sa quarter. 17 points total para sa Skyscraper. Johnny Abarientos, ginagamit ng konti ang oras. Boyd Fernandez, 8 seconds to shoot para sa Alaska. Johnny Abarientos, hindi binibigay yung kabilang side, which is usually strong side. Naagaw pa ang bola. And Gordons again. JB Gayoso now playing the role of point guard.
Well, pwede yan dahil marunong siya magdala ng bola. They go to King at the post. They're looking for the double. Siguro, sabi ni King, pag hindi nyo ako double team, pipilitin ko na ito.
Aba, Dr. J.
Oh, hindi kayo magdo-double team. Siguro naman, kaya ko ito.
And limping Chris King, his first 2 points of the ball game, but pinaka-importanting oras dumating ang 2 points.
Yeah, naka-free throw siya kanina. So that's his third point. Tumawag.
It's a full timeout para sa Alaska.
Okay.
Club Roman Traditional Fit. Club Roman Jeans and Shirts. Club Roman.
We're into the last 2 minutes, and the last 2 minutes is brought to you by Dew Premium Dry London Gin, now available in 750 ml. Abarientos nakaligtas, basket counts, at merong foul kay Pito Harencio.
Well, maganda yung play na yun with bringing Lastimosa back into the ball game, then isolating for Johnny. Johnny is taking charge here in the fourth quarter, leading them back by scoring, passing off. So back to the lead para sa Alaska. 1 point. They have a chance for a 2-point lead if Johnny can complete the 3-point play. Malayo pa itong laro na ito. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari dito sa labanan na ito.
Sobra, Dr. J. Ang inilalarong ito after watching this ball game, ito tinitignan nyo ang mga kongresistang hindi naglalakwatsa, ngunit walang trabaho ngayon.
Linggo ngayon ba?
Linggo ngayon.
Gabi na eh. Tsaka,
Manonood ng ball game yung mga yan. Of course, that was Congressman Miguel Romero. May timeout ang Gordons. It's a full timeout by ito, 20 seconds.
Tol! Ayos!
Cuneta Astro with time down to a minute and 41 lamang ang Alaska ng 2 puntos. Dr. J, biglang bumaliktad yung mga pangyayari.
Well, siyempre, yung Alaska, led by Johnny Apariantos, has gotten themselves back. Medyo they regained their composure. Medyo nakaka-score na si Holland dahil mabibigyan siya ng magandang pizza inside. And even though King is there, he might be a liability that he has very limited movement. Pero pag gaganyanin naman nila kay Lago na hindi nila ito double team, may problema sila.
Kita mo, Dr. J, yung pasa ilalaglag na kay Chris King. We have a tied ball game at 84. Johnny Aparientos has been the go-to guy. 17 points in this ball game. Bagsaki Holland. Holland with a two-hand slam.
Well, hindi ilang beses na ginagawa ni Aparientos yan, pero naoobligan tumulong si Marlo. It should not be Marlo that should help out, but should be another player from the other side.
The other primetime player, Dr. J, going to work in this ball game.
Yeah, that's Johnny Aparientos. That's a tight pass, pero nakuha rin.
Gayoso thinking three. Bukas si Harenzo sa gilid. Harenzo, 3 points.
Oh, yes!
What shooting! What a
King Machino, pambihira ang talagang ayaw matalo yung dalawang kupunan dito sa larong ito. Pambihirang laro ito.
And merong 20-second timeout na itinawag ang Alaska. At this 20-second timeout brought to you by Ford Bulldog. Ito ang tira. Teka muna, meron kaming correction. Gusto ng Alaska a full timeout.
Sciences.
Hindi po magkamayaw ang mga tao dito sa loob ng Cuneta as they're still relishing that three-pointer connected by Pido Harencio. He's 7th of the ball game. The record for the playoff series stands at 8, and that was scored by Sonny Jaworski against a team na hawak-hawak ng aking partner.
Hindi na makasama lang tayo doon, UTEX. So, medyo masakit nga yung 24 puntos from the 3-point territory. Magaling talaga si Sunny, and he's a great shooter from that area. But here, 1-point ball game para sa Gordons. Bola ng Alaska. Bumalik na si Bong Hawkins. 58.7. Ang gulo nito. May foul to give pa ang Gordons. Isa Alaska has 3 fouls to give.
Meron yatang humihingi ng is this another timeout? Hindi po. Magpapatuloy ang aksyon. 58.7 seconds left dito sa ating ball game. Ang score po natin, 87 para sa Gordons, 86 para sa Alaska.
Well, you're gonna see Johnny isolated, pick and roll. Alam nila, tutulong yung mga yon.
At ito na si Pido Harencio applying the pressure. Walang bukas. Lastimosa will take a 3-pointer. It's long. Rebound. Nagpapatay sila Chris King. Pero makukuha ni Pochuino.
Hindi makatalon si King, pero he tried to jump and get the ball.
What heart, Dr. J. And a foul by Pido Harencio.
Too early.
You were saying?
Too early. That's gonna be the 15th foul. That will put them in the penalty. But I think Harencio wanted to calm down his teammates. Kaya binigay niya yung foul na yun.
Gigil na gigil sila. They're on top by a point. 87-86. Ang oras, 35.2 seconds. Ang lamang po ay ang Gordons, ang Alaska, ay meron bang mga fouls na gigib. Ang Gordons ay nasa penalty na. They go to Johnny Aparientos. He is the man sa quarter na ito.
They go to Hawkins now. He has a mismatch there.
Nako ang pasa ni Pochuino.
Walang tao doon. Nung pinasa niya, akala niya sa likod niya si Holland, pero wala palang tao ron. Now,